This is suite 1906 at the JW Marriott in Miami. It's a one-bedroom suite. Here we have the living room with the Bose equipment, and there's a curved TV here. Here's a view of the pool. This is a connecting room though. Here we have a little wet bar, or there's a huge fridge in here. This is, and there's a nice coffee machine as well. This is the bedroom, a king size bed with a table. Another TV in here. Here we have the closet area. Closet. The washroom, there's a tub and a walk-in shower, so you can decide which one you want to use. And this one connects back to the foyer. This is 1906. And, oh, this is cool. So, I think this is, instead of a viewfinder and a door, it's just a monitor.